Come da può capire chi te va bene? Se tu la parla miezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, come te viene in capo di I love you. Papà l'americano. Papà l'americano.
Good evening, buon noche, welcome, Bombini, Akasi and Tia, and welcome to everybody. Let me start by underlining the importance of the archaeology. I'm sorry about that. The archaeology. The archaeology. The archaeology. Sorry about that. Of Caribbean archaeology. First, sorry about the archaeology. The archaeology in the Netherlands and Tilly's. The archaeology. The archaeology. Sorry about that. Listen to four experts of Caribbean archaeology. First, sorry about that. First of all, Professor Hoogman and Dr. Hoogman will give an archaeology. Sorry about that. Archaeology. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Of Caribbean archaeology. First, sorry. Archaeology. First. Sorry about that. The archaeology. Sorry about that. The archaeology. I'm sorry about that. See that I'm not an expert in that field.